Hi kids, welcome to Enhance Your Learning Environmental Studies for Grade 2, Unit 1, Myself, Lesson 2, Growing Up. Last class we have seen the different stages of growth and developments like newborn, infant, toddler, preschooler and school-age child. In today's class, we are going to see the rest of the growth and developmental stages. Adolescent, adult, old age. Okay, so can you all kids define what is growing up? Growing up is a process by which a newborn mature and grow to old age. Okay, adolescent. What are the characteristics of adolescents? Okay, so their body mass increases to adult size. So in this adolescent period, they will look like a adult and maximum growth they will attain during this adolescent period. Okay, their height and weight increases in this age. Okay, then they will sleep 8 hours at night. Why this sleep time is getting reduced when you are moving to further age group? Because they will have many works to do. So when you are a baby, you need not to worry about anything, so you will be sleeping for a long time. So when we are growing older, like adolescent or adult or old age, our responsibilities are getting more, so we won't get enough time to sleep. Okay, so the sleep time will reduce to 8 hours at night. Okay, what about the food? So in this age group, in order to meet their maximum physical growth, okay, we need to provide a balanced diet. So already I told you what I mean by balanced diet. So the diet should contain all the nutrients in a right quantity, like carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, vitamins, everything. Okay, everything must be there to meet their increasing height and weight. Okay, but what the adolescents will do in order to make themselves very slim and beauty, they will not eat the nutritious diet. Instead, they will just eat the empty snacks which doesn't have any nutrients. Okay, because if they eat the nutritious food, they will think that they will put on weight. So is it good or bad? It is not good for their health. Okay, so in this age group, they have to take a balanced diet. Then what are the skills of a adolescent? Okay, adolescent will have more strength and tolerance. Okay, so already I told you what I mean by strength and tolerance. Means they will be able to tolerate the society as well as family members or friends. If any problem arises, they will be able to solve it and they will accept others. Okay, they will have the tolerance to accept others. Okay, and what about their play? Will they play with the car and train and toys? No, they like to play with what? They like to play different games and athletic activities. Okay, athletic, mainly they will participate in the athletic activities and different games, and mostly they will use the internet to communicate with others, like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. You might have heard about all these things, right kids? Yeah, so this adolescent age group will mainly use the internet for their communication with the friends and others. Okay, and they will attend the different parties. They will go with their friends and they will attend different parties, and if they like to dance, they will go for dancing also. It is not necessary that every adolescent need to go for dancing, but in this stage, okay, In this stage, if they like to dance, they will go for dancing also. Next age group is adult. Okay, so when the maximum growth will be there, adolescent period only maximum growth will be there. So in adult period, the physical growth completes. Hereafter the growth will not takes place. Okay, and what are the skills of adult? They will have problem solving skills. Okay, they have the ability to solve the problem which arises in the family as well as in the society and also in their offices or companies. Okay, then they will have more motor skills. Motor skills means what? This coordination. Okay, hand coordination, then leg coordination. Okay, so they will be able to drive cars. Okay, your parents only taking you to shopping, right? They will drive the car and take you to shopping. Okay, so then they will be able to operate computers, keyboards. Okay, and they'll be able to lift heavy luggages. Okay, so that is called motor skills. Okay, so during this adult age group, their motor skills will be more. Okay, then person starts the preferred occupation. So occupation means job. Every adult is doing different job, right? Your father may be an engineer, but my father may not be an engineer, right? So all the adult will do a different job according to their interest. Okay, some will be an engineer, some will be a doctor, some will be teacher, some will be nurse, and some will be the driver. Okay, so all are doing different job according to their interest. Next is decision regarding marriage and parenthood will take place in this age group. Okay, so in this period only they will marriage and they will plan for the baby. Okay, and they will become a father and mother. Okay, understood about adult? Next we'll move on to the last age group. It is old age. Okay, old age. What will happen in old age? I think most of you have grandparents at your home, right? So today you have to go and watch your grandparents. Whatever I taught is there for your grandparents. Okay, kids? First we'll see there is a loss of pigment in hair and skin. Pigment means color. See, look at the color of the hair. Usually the hair color will be black, right? Here in old age you can see the hair color will be white. Okay, so that is called loss of pigment in hair. Okay, the black color will change into gray color or white color. Okay, then wrinkling of the skin. Wrinkling of the skin means, you see, this is called wrinkles. Okay, if you see your grandparents, you can find the wrinkles around the eyes, mouth, then in the skin also you can identify the wrinkles. Okay, then loss of balance. See this image, a grandmother is walking with the support of one person as well as she is holding the stick on her right hand for the balance. Okay, so they can't walk fast as like adult or the kid, so they will walk slowly with the help of someone, or else they will keep themselves a stick for the balancing. Okay, then they will have short-term memory loss. Okay, what do you mean by short-term memory loss? They will forget about what was happened yesterday or what was happened in the morning, but they will have long-term memory. Okay, but they will have long-term memory. They will remember the things which has happened 10 and 20 years back, but they will forget whatever happens on the previous day. Okay, so that is called short-term memory loss. Next is decrease muscle mass and strength. Decrease muscle mass and strength. Their muscle power will be less. All of you touch and see your muscles, how tight it is, right? But you go and touch your grandmother or grandfather's muscle here, it will be hanging, okay? It will be hanging because they have less muscle mass and strength. Next is they have decreased mobility and their height will get decreased. Why? How the height will get decreased when they are older? See this picture, the man is walking straight, right? But when the man is turning to old age, he is bending forward while walking, right? So what happens? Automatically, if you are checking the height will be less, okay? So during old age, the height will be less and their mobility means ability to move. They won't move faster. They will walk slowly and their height will decrease and they are more risk to get any infections, okay? That is why in this corona situation we are saying old age people and the kids should not go outside. They have to be inside the home only because they will have less immune power to fight against the infection, okay? Then what about the nutrition? They will take only less amount of or less quantity of nutrition because their digestive system will work very slow, so they can't eat more food like adult, okay? So they will take only little quantity, okay? Next is they will have difficulty in chewing and swallowing the food. So already I told you, since there is a decrease in muscle mass and strength, everywhere they will have that problem, even inside also. So they can't swallow as fast, okay? So they will have only less number of teeth. Already tooth fall might have happened and only few tooth will be there here and there. So with that they can't chew it properly. So it will take more time to chew and swallow the food, okay? Next is diminished sense organ functions. What are the sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, okay? So all the organ functions, all the sense organ functions will be less in old age. They have difficulty to see, okay? And they will have difficulty to hear what others are saying, and there will be less smell sense, okay? Then their touch ability also will be less, understood? Then the taste also will get decreased, okay? The taste sense also will get decreased in old age. At this age they'll be very weak, okay? So we have to protect them. We have to take extra care of old age people, okay? Since they have diminished sense organ functions, we have to take them to the eye specialist and help them to wear glasses to see. Then you can take them to the ENT doctor and check their ears, and you can help them to keep the hearing aid. So if they keep the hearing aid, they can hear much better, okay? Then you have to respect the elder. For example, you are traveling in the bus and one elder person is also coming and there is no place for the elder person to sit. Immediately what you have to do? You have to get up and you have to give place for the elder person to sit, because already you know their muscles and their bone will be weak. They can't stand for long time, okay? But you are a kid, you can stand for the long time. Otherwise you can sit in your mother lap, okay? And you have to leave the place for elder person, okay? So wherever you go, you have to respect the elder person, okay? If they are finding difficulty to cross the road, you can help them to cross the road. Understood, kids? Today's class we have learned about the different stages of growth and development of adolescence, adult and old age. So what are the different stages of growth and development, kids? Newborn, infant, toddler, preschooler, school age child, adolescent, adult, and old age. So with this, I'm going to complete the second lesson, growing up. So as I told you, after the end of all the lesson, I will upload a quiz in the description box. You can ask your parents to check the link and attend the quiz which is uploaded there. Okay, all the best. Do well. If you like my videos, subscribe to Enhance Your Learning channel. Thank you.